All right, pause right here, because what you're about to see is a textbook example of how one bad decision on Zoom can completely derail your entire court case. Watch how fast this goes from routine to explosive.
You use the F-bombs on Zoom ever again with me, you will come over here and you will serve 30 days. Do you fully and completely understand what I am telling you? I didn't ask you if you heard. That's Granite Televalley versus Bodges, right?
Yep.
Come on up here. Ronald Bodges, 2600001. Mr. Capitan, your appearance.
Yeah, John Capitan appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Your name?
Ronald Allen Bodges.
Do you have anything you want to say? Okay, so let me give you a little bit of advice. You can take it or leave. When I extend the courtesy of allowing somebody to appear by Zoom, when I allow somebody the courtesy of appearing by Zoom, I expect them to have the common sense to know that they're in a court. Okay? We get cases out of there, so I know where Marlowe's is. How many hours do you work at Marlowe's?
I work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'd say between 25 and 30 hours, depending on the business.
On the 24th, but you have a trial that day.
24th of what?
March.
Well, I know, but I'm going the
For
5th.
default judgment of possession, rent retained is $382.14. Of that is $245 late fee charges. Costs of $226.
I got actually $90 in late fees and $292.14 in past due rent. And what is the date now? February 9th?
Fuck you! Fuck you, motherfucker!
Ooh.
Who said that?
I think that's Mr. Bogus, and I think he
Yeah, it's
found the
Mr.
unmute button.
Bogus. You motherfuckers gonna cut me off?
Oh,
Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are?
I can't see you.
Who do you think you are?
I'm nobody.
Who do you think you are?
I'm nobody.
I want to know what kind of a punk would do that.
Bro, I can't see you. I was just on
You are not going to swear on
video
Zoom.
with you.
You
I
are
was just
not
on
going to.
video
I'll
with
tell you
you.
what,
I can't
Mr.
find you.
Bodges, you're going to come up here now. You're going to come up here in person. You talk to me like that, you'll be in lockup for 30 days. You want to act like a punk? I'm going to treat you like one. You get up to the courthouse now. You got it, Mr. Bogus, Mr. Tough Guy? You must have fought Muhammad Ali and beat him, huh? Back in the day? Come on up. You're coming up, Mr. Bodges. You want to talk to me like that? You're going to end up in lockup, tough guy. You got it?
No, sir. No, sir.
Good. Good. He's coming up
wanted
here.
to-
He doesn't come up,
I
I'm
just
defaulting him.
wanted
I'm
to
giving
do
you
this.
half an hour to get here. Shut him up. Half hour to get here, Bogus. We're not a bar. If we were going to talk like we were in a strip club, I'd bring the recorder to the strip club and my court officer to the strip club.
Stay home. I don't go.
Watch your mouth. Do not interrupt me.
Sir.
You use the F-bombs on Zoom ever again with me. I don't care if you're at your house. I don't care if you're in Mackinac Island. I don't care if you're in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. I don't care if you're in Russia. I don't care if you're in Venezuela. You will come over here and you will serve 30 days. Do you fully and completely understand what I am telling you? I didn't ask you if you heard me. I asked you if you fully and completely understand me.
I do not.
Well, then you have a seat right over there, and maybe I'll put you in the lockup. Hang on. You want to be a smart guy with me? I'll put you in the lockup for a few days. You can think about whether or not you understood. Stop it.
Quick breakdown. When the judge mentions a default judgment of possession, that means the court can hand the property back to the landlord automatically, no long trial, if the tenant doesn't follow court rules. At this point, the defendant is already on very thin ice.
You do not. You said you do not understand. So I'm going to make you understand, Mr. Bodges. You want to be a tough guy punk with me? You're messing with the wrong guy, okay? I'll just tell you that. I'm not that nice. I'll treat you with respect, but you're not going to treat this system like it's your lapdog. You got what I'm saying to you? Yes, sir. Now, I'm going to ask you one more time. Do you fully and completely understand what I have said here today? If you tell me no, it's okay. We'll just put you in lockup for a while. Maybe you'll be able to. Huh? You sure? I didn't hear you.
Yes, sir.
You ever pull that nonsense with me, Mr. Bodges? You want to be disrespectful with everybody else? That's your business. You start being disrespectful with courts in this building, which is one of the finest in the state, I am going to lock you up. Do we fully and completely understand one another?
I do. We do.
Your appearance, counsel.
John Capitan, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Sorry about that.
All
I
right, Your
just
Honor.
felt like Mr. Bodges and I had to have a little conversation.
No, I totally understand, Your Honor.
Did you
This-
listen to and understand the rights that were on the video?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you wish to speak to a lawyer?
I can have it.
I can adjourn this for a week for you to speak to a lawyer.
Please.
I want you to understand this is a complaint to recover possession. It's a termination of tenancy. You're going to have to explain everything to the lawyer. But I want you to understand that I'll adjourn it 1 week. They're going to give you the phone number to contact the lawyer, and I still want you in here personally since you forfeited the right to appear by Zoom in the face of your vulgar language. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You've been drinking today?
No, sir.
If I give you a PBT, you going to pass it?
It's moving.
Because if you get back in that car and you drink, if you've been drinking, well, then you have been drinking, haven't you?
No, sir.
Well, then why'd you Uber?
Because I don't have a license. I have to Uber everywhere.
Well, that's good. I'll adjourn this 1 week, February what again, the 2nd
9 o'clock, Judge.
at 9 o'clock. You go down the hall, they will give you the phone number. They will give you the phone number to speak with a lawyer. Okay? And then you'll come back in a week.
Thank you, sir.
But I'm not going to put up with your nonsense. You understand me, Mr. Bodges?
Yeah. I'm downtown and fighting a case.
I don't care about downtown. You're not yelling on here F-bombs. What do you think this is? Get out of here before I lock you up. Go ahead and laugh all you want. I'm telling you, you do it again, you're going to end up in there for 30 days. I promise you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. You have a great day, all right?
Sorry about that, counsel. I kept you waiting and everything. My apologies, sincerely.
All right, have a good
All
one.
right, which one are we on now? Hamptons. Where's Hamptons at, John? Tell me you didn't take Hamptons down there yet. Which one did you